Hey there, I'm Brianna, creator of Wellness Talk Shop, and I'm super excited to deliver these beautiful workbook page templates to you and for you to get a really great taste of how quick and easy it can be to design beautiful, valuable content for your business. So this is what it's going to look like when you open up the templates. And first thing I want to point out is the template usage terms right here. Please do read through this so that you have an idea of how you can use these. And I just want to go over a few tips to make it really easy for you to edit these. Make sure that you feel confident using these templates. So first of all of these templates, including all templates inside the Wellness Talk Shop membership, are 100% customizable. And you can use these, by the way, to create your course content downloads, to create challenges, just for worksheets for your clients, to create an ebook, a lead magnet. There are so many things you can do with these. And what's really cool is you can duplicate these pages in here by just clicking this duplicate page button right here. And that means that you can make this as many pages as you want. If you wanted to make this a 100-page workbook, you can do that. And you can also easily delete pages by just clicking this little trash icon right here, so that you can really just customize this workbook. But let's go through this, and I want to show you a few tips for how to edit these. So if you're not familiar with Canva, each of these elements you can hover over and see that there are different blocks that you can highlight. So one thing is the colors. So you can click this colored background and you're going to see up here the color appears. If you click on this little square color box, it's going to pull up the color palettes. So I've got this little crown icon here, which means that I have the paid pro version. So mine's going to look a little bit different than yours if you have the free version, but that's no problem. You can click on any of these colors to quickly change the background of that color box, or you can click this little plus icon and you can change or modify the color you've chosen, or you can add your color hex code right here. So let's just say I want to use this color here, and I want to change that original light pink color to this throughout my entire document. You can do that in one click by just clicking down here, change all. Now when you scroll through, if there's any colored background that was that light pink color, like this one, it's going to be changed to your updated color. So let's try this again by changing the background of this footer. So we're going to change it to this purple color, and then you're going to see this pops up. It says change all, and I'm going to go ahead and click that. And so anything that was that gray color is now going to show up as that purple throughout the entire document. That's how quick it is to change the colors to your branding colors. So I'm going to go ahead and undo those changes. Now for text, you can easily just click on any of these text boxes and you're going to see up here, it's going to pop up and show you which font I used for that. But if you do this little drop down, you can see there are all these different fonts that you can choose from. So you can easily just choose another font, and you can do that throughout the entire page, but you can also add your text here. So now you can see how easy it is to just edit these. Now I want to show you a little tip for changing fonts. So I'm going to show you two tricks. First of all, you can go ahead and highlight this and then select this paintbrush tool. It says copy style. Now anything you click on throughout the document is going to change it to that exact same style. So it's going to change this font to the same size and the same font that I used for that title. So I'm going to go ahead and undo that. Next, I want to show you that you can kind of, in a way, mass change your fonts in here. So I'm hovering over this and I'm going to click on it, and you're going to see that these are actually grouped together. So there's this little title here, and then there is this body font right here. Grouping your elements together is great for editing, so I can actually move this around and those two are going to stay together. But for mass changing fonts, I'm going to go ahead and click ungroup for each of these element boxes, and then I'm going to show you a little trick. Now I'm going to go ahead and select this title, and I'm going to shift click on each of these titles that I want to change the font. And I'm going to go up here to my fonts and I'm going to choose Poppins Bold just to show you what this will look like. And it's changed every single one of those in one click. Super awesome. So if this happens, because it's a different font, it's going to go a little bit longer and it's going to go to the next line. So all I'm going to do is stretch this out a little bit until it's on one line. And then I'm going to center it right there. So you can do that for all of these. Now I'm going to show you photos. So if you see any icons like this where it looks like a landscape, that's just an image placeholder. That means you can drag and drop an image into that spot and it's going to fit perfectly. So that's how easy it is to edit with Canva. Drag and drop features are the best. So this is the Wellness Stock Shop photo. So if you're a member, you can jump in. There are over 8,000 photos for you to choose from, and you can make it look exactly like this. So when you're ready to upload new photos, you can just go to Upload Media, click this device, and then it's going to open up and you can choose anything from your downloads that you might have downloaded from Wellness Stock Shop. The other thing you can do is just grab an image and drag it and drop it into Canva and it's going to automatically load. It's really, really easy. I love it. So let's go ahead and drag and drop some additional images here. So once you're finished with your book and you're ready to download it, you just go up here to this little down arrow icon. And then you're going to choose your file type and you're going to see there's a bunch of different options for you. You might want the PDF print or PDF standard. And then you're going to select which pages you want. And then you're just going to go ahead and click done and download. And it's going to download to your computer. That's how easy it is to use. I hope that you enjoy this. Enjoy!